Well, what an amazing 7-10 days it has been. So much has happened, so many conversations, so many opportunities to serve or to get ready to serve people in the coming weeks in the midst of this coronavirus crisis. We are now ready this week to be giving out our first food boxes. The Allen is now a distribution and packing centre. Just look at this video of all of the shelves that have been packed today with food on, probably around 3,000 items of food. More is coming the rest of the week, and more is going to be coming next week and in the weeks ahead. So we are excited to be playing our part in serving our city in this time. But we're not doing it on our own. There's been so many different organisations that have played their parts, big and small, in making this happen. So Junction 42, Elam Pentecostal Church, King's Castle Church, Fair Share, Food Cycle, City Church, By Community Trust are partnering with us and referring into us. Northern Stage received a grant and have bought some food and given that to this project. Procter & Gamble have given us a £500 grant, Neighbourly have given us a £400 grant. It has just been wonderful. So many conversations, so many other people and organisations that we've had conversations with, because there is a joined up focus to make sure we serve and support as many people as physically possible. So, as I said, this week our first few boxes will be going out, and that's only going to increase next week and in the weeks ahead. It's amazing to think we're going to be delivering it to people's doors. We're having to figure out what that looks like. How do we do it safely? How do we do social distancing in the hall as we pack boxes? So many practical things to think about. But you know what? It's so worth it when we think about those that are going to receive food, maybe that haven't got the facility to either buy it or actually go shopping for it, that we get to serve our city in this way. You can get involved. There's a few ways you can get involved. You can get involved physically by packing boxes, delivering boxes, maybe stacking or sorting, stock check, all of that sort of stuff. And you can do that by either emailing the office or kind of contacting me directly if you've got my contact details. You can also get involved by giving. So what we're saying is, if you would ordinarily donate on a Sunday morning on the third Sunday of the month, then why not give the same amount in monetary value via the link that's on this kind of any social media that we put out there, and also available on the website as well. So you can give in that way, and you can also pray for us, pray for protection, pray for credible opportunities for the gospel to be shared with those that we are serving. And finally, there might be opportunities to get to know people, to kind of be able to give somebody a call just to encourage people in their isolation. And so if you'd like to get involved in that, also get in touch. This really is a team effort, and it's the beginning of something that hopefully will be significant, particularly in the East End of the city. Biker Pantry is just going from strength to strength. That's seen 50% growth in the number of items that people are buying and taking. The number of users of the space each week has just grown. It has been an amazing time to be able to bless and support, and we are perfectly placed as a church to play our part in helping people through what is the most difficult of circumstances. So that's a little update. We'll give you more updates as the project develops, but I hope you enjoyed it, and see you soon.